In this video, I'll guide you through installing Ubuntu 24.04.2 in a VM in Proxmox. Let's go. So first you want to head over to ubuntu.com, download Ubuntu, just select server, select get a Ubuntu server, hit download Ubuntu. I'm not going to download it. I'm going to click this, copy link address on the download now, head over to your Proxmox install, select your Proxmox server, and select the local file store. ISO images is already selected here. Select download from URL. Then I paste it in here, query, and it shows that the file name is going to be Ubuntu 24.04.2 live server. That sounds about right, so let's download. Okay, so when that is done, you get task OK. Just hit the X. You can see that you have your Ubuntu ISO here, so you can just create a VM. Select your PV node. It's this node. Select the VM ID. It's a unique ID for every VM that you have. I have no VMs, so I can just have the default, which is 100. I'm gonna name it Ubuntu server. Click next. Then you can select the ISO image that you downloaded. Everything else here can be on the defaults. It's just important that it's Linux and 6.x. For the system tab, I'm just going to let everything be default except for the qemu-guest-agent, which I'm going to install on the Ubuntu server, so the Ubuntu server can talk to my Proxmox environment, so that Proxmox can softly tell the Ubuntu server if it wants to shut it down or take backups, so it can freeze the file system or stuff like that. So it's good to have. Next. On the disk tab, I'm gonna let everything just be default. Most significant is the disk size, 32 gigs. It's more than enough. CPU, I'm gonna give it 2 cores, just the default CPU type. Next. Memory, 2 gigs is okay. 4 gigs is better, so I'm just gonna give this server 4 gigs. On the network tab, everything is okay. So just click next and confirm, finish. Then it pops up here with the name Ubuntu server. You can go to the console. Another window is going to pop up and you can start it. I'm going to try or install Ubuntu server. And then the installer is going to start. Here's the installer. You select the language. I'm going to select English. I'm going to select my crazy keyboard. Here you select the type of installation, Ubuntu server. The default is OK, done. Network configuration, you can change the IP address if you want. You'll have to go in here and select your information, but DHCP is good for me, so I'm going to do done. I don't have a proxy. If you connect to the internet via a proxy, you have to enter the proxy address here. I'm going to do done. And now we check the Ubuntu download servers. It's good. I'm going to do done. I'm going to use the entire disk and use LVM. Default is good. Done. And this is the summary page. It looks good. All of my disks are here. I'm going to do done and continue. Your name. Here you enter the server name. I'm going to do the same name as in Proxmox to avoid confusion. Ubuntu server. Username. And select the password. And done. Here I'm going to select skip for now, continue. I'm going to install the OpenSSH server because if you don't, you can't SSH to the server when it's installed. So select that with space and just do done. In here, I'm not going to install anything extra, so I'll just select done. And now it's installing. And now the install is done, so we can reboot. And there we are. What we also can do is SSH to the server, accept. Now there's one thing we gotta do because as you can see here, Proxmox says guest-agent not running. So what we want to do then is apt install qemu-guest-agent. When that is installed, we can do service qemu-guest-agent start. And now it should be running. Boom, we got it. And hope to see you around next time.